So alam nyo ba na mayroong way dito sa Rohan 2 Global na kumita kahit naka-offline ka? And yes, you heard me right guys. Kahit naka-offline yung character mo, meron kang potential na kumita dito sa game na to. Hey guys, this is DM and today pag-uusapan natin yung isang feature ni Rohan na pwede kang kumita kahit naka-offline yung character mo. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, mag-subscribe ka na and i-hit mo na rin yung ating notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Rohan 2 Global. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So, today, pag-uusapan natin ngayon kung paano ka nga makikita kay Rohan 2 Global kahit naka-offline ka. But anyway guys, disclaimer lang na this is not a financial advice and hindi rin ako financial advisor. So, please make sure that you do your own diligence about making a research on this project before even getting in, okay? Kasi guys, mahirap naman na papasok kayo nang wala kayong personal take dito sa game na to. Anyway, paano nga ba kumikita kapag naka-offline ka dito sa Rohan 2 Global? So, one of the features that Rohan has na wala sa ibang MMO is pwedeng mag-offline grind yung character mo for a limited amount of time kung free-to-play player ka. And that is the Hunting Helper mode. Okay? Which means na kapag in-exit mo yung game, okay, automatic na magpa-farm yung character mo. Now, there are some rules in terms of the Hunting Helper mode. The first thing is, dapat nandun ka sa farming spot, okay, bago ka mag-offline. Kasi ang mangyari ganito guys, kung nasa village yung character mo, automatic hindi yan mag-activate. So, please make sure na nandun ka sa hunting area, okay, kung saan kaya mo yung mobs and sa tingin mo mabilis yung clearing time mo, para at least mas mabilis din yung farming mo. Just like what I did with my character yesterday, no? Kumbaga, galing tayo sa family outing yesterday and hindi tayo nakapag-online for about 14 hours, guys. So, pagbalik ko kaninang umaga at pag-check ko ng character ko, boom, meron na tayong 14M. And offline ako nun, guys. Which means na talaga namang boomy pagdating sa farming kapag ginagamit nyo yung Hunting Helper mode. Now, for free-to-play players, limited time lang yung nakukuha nyo na Hunting Helper mode, which is around 6 hours, okay? Pero kung nakasubscribe kayo sa premium, matik yan guys na meron kayong unlimited Hunting Helper mode, which is pretty good, di ba? Kasi kahit naka-offline yung character nyo for 10 days or 20 days, tuloy pa rin yung farming yan. Which means na pwede nyo nang iiwanan or pwedeng balikan nyo na lang after 1 month, no? Kasi dire-diretso naman yung farming yan dahil meron siyang unlimited Hunting Helper mode. Okay? Now, my take here is that isa to sa mga features na wala sa karamihan sa mga MMO right now. And I think Rohan 2 is pretty unique with this feature kasi kahit pa paano, you can get items, hindi lang yung Tron. Pati items may makukuha din kayo. So last time nung nag-AFK farming tayo or nung nag-offline farming tayo dito, nakakuha tayo ng epic na ring dito sa game na to. Actually, isang ring tapos isang earrings. So dalawa yung nalut natin sa Hunting Helper alone. Okay? Which means na maganda talaga na meron kayong Hunting Helper. And especially kung naka-premium kayo, isa yan sa mga advantage nyo. Okay? Now, currently, ito na yung napafarm natin. Meron na tayong 80M prawns. Okay? Pero yung 10 million dyan sa prawns na yan are bounded to our character. So, 70M lang talaga. And na-farm ko yun, guys, within around 2.5 days or 2.5 araw. Okay? Not bad na rin yun, guys, kasi usually yung price naman ng Prawn to Ruby is somehow minsan tumataas talaga. Last time, parang ang listing is around 9.57 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, but it's pretty good to see that the value is rising up every time. Right now, it's 6.50 something and it might go up tomorrow kasi walang nagbebenta ngayon, which means na walang willing magbenta or magbenta ng mura, no, in terms of the value ng Prawn to Ruby. Now, yung exact tutorial ng withdrawal guys, ilalabas ko pa lang siguro later on. Okay, para at least makita nyo kung paano natin withdraw yung kinita natin for the first time. I think naka around $5 ata tayo nun. So, that's pretty good to go as well. Anyway, maraming salamat guys sa walang sawang suporta dito sa channel natin. And hopefully meron kayo natutunan dito sa video na to. And if you like this one, like, comment, and subscribe. Again, this is BM and alam nyo na, peace out.